The use of technologies and the application of advanced technologies in construction is radically changing the relation between architects, constructors.
When does something become interesting? When does something become elegant? In the beginning, we were very focused on finding systems that would be homogeneous, that you could really build the world with.
The efficiencies that are provided by this very methodological way of working are so much more efficient than taking AutoCAD and drawing all of your plans and sections manually and being disconnected from the economic process of fabrication.
In 3D printing, we know that it is already revolutionizing a lot of disciplines, but it's mainly focused in the small scale.
Things become interesting where they're hybrid. If I have different processes that can be more or less automatized, more or less digital, more or less non-standard.
Robotics position you in a more central way of the delivery of architecture.